Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor, Department of Rashastra and Vaisheshya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapat Women's University, Jaipur. So today we'll deal regarding the Adharabhuta Siddhantas of the Vaisheshya Kalpana. So Adharabhuta Siddhanta is nothing but the basic principles of the Vaisheshya Kalpana. So coming to the introduction, so every science so have its own like set of basic principles. So they are the set of the beliefs or the doctrines. So which guide us as well as we advance with the science. So Adharabhuta Siddhanta of this Vaisheshya Kalpanas. So it is they are Paribhasha, Dravya Sangrahana and Samrakshana, Anukta and Visheshokta Grahana, and Rasaguna, Virya Vipaka and Prabhava, Mana Paribhasha, Panchvita Kashaya Kalpana, Aushadha Namakarana, Aushadha Sevana Kala, Savirya Thavadi, Aushadha Matra, and the Anupanas. So coming to the first one, Paribhasha. So Paribhasha, so according to the Rasatarangini reference, so it is mentioned that Nighuda, Anukta, Leshokta, Sandigdhartha, Pradipikaha, Sunishchitartha, Vibhuddhi, Paribhasha, Nigatyadhe. So Paribhasha means, so it is the statement that gives a clear and the distinct meaning. So paribhasha means which gives a clear meaning for any like of a word or an expression. So it clarifies the concealed or the omitted or unclear and confusing meanings of a word or a verse in the classics. And according to the Vaidika Paribhasha Pradeepa reference, it is mentioned that shlokas like this: Avyakta, Anukta, Leshokta, Sandigdhartha, Prakashikaha, Paribhashah Prakatyante, Deepibhutah Sunishchita. So paribhasha is same a statement that gives a perfect or a distinct meaning of a word or expression. So it clarifies the hidden, that is avyakta, and absent means that is anukta, and vague, that is leshukta, confusing, that is sandigdhartha, meanings of a word or a verse in the classics. So coming to the vargas, Trifala Vargas. So Trifala. So Trifalas are in Haritaki Phala and Vibhitaki Phala and Amalaki Phala. So these three are considered as these three drugs comes under the Trifala Varga. And next Trikatu Varga. So what are Trikatus? Shunti, Maricha and Pippali. So these three are Trikatu, comes under the Trikatu Varga. And next Chatur Ushana Varga. Chaturushanas, they are like Trikatu Varga plus Pipali Mula are considered as the Chaturushana. So Trikatu, I told you that Shunti, Maricha, Pipali are the Trikatus, and plus extra one is here Pipali Mula. So these four are comes under the Chatur Ushana Varga. Next, Pancha Ushana Varga. So Pancha Ushana Vargas is equal to, they are Chaturushana Varga plus Chitrakamula are the Pancha Ushana Varga. Next, Shad Ushana Varga. So Shad Ushana, they are Pancha Ushana Varga plus Chavya. So these are considered as the Shad Ushana Varga. Next, Trimada Varga. Trimadas are Musta, Chitraka Mula and Vidanka. So these three considered as the Trimada Varga. Next, Trayushana Varga. Trayushana, they are Chavya, Chitrakamula and Gajapipali. So these three considered as the Trayushana Varga. Next, Madhura Traya Varga or the three Madhuras, they are Gritha, Kuda and Makshika. Gritha, Kuda and Makshika. Makshika is nothing but the Madhu or the honey. And next, three Kshara Varga. So Ksharas means alkalis. So three Kshara Vargas are Sarjakshara, Yavakshara and Tankana. So these we consider as the three Kshara Varga. Next, three Jataka Varga. So three Jataka Varga, they are Tvak, Sukshma Ela and Teja Patra. So these three considered as the three Chataka Varga. Next, Chatur Chataka Varga. Chatur Chataka Vargas are Tvak, Patra, Ela and Nagakesara. So these four are considered as the Chatur Chataka Varga. Next, Chaturbhadraka Varga. So Chaturbhadraka Varga, they are Nagara, Ativisha, Mustha and Kuduchi. They are Nagara, Ativisha, Mustha and Kuduchi. Next, Sneha Chatushtaya. So Sneha Chatushtaya in there, Sarpi, Taila, Vasa, Macha. Sarpi, Taila, Vasa, Macha are considered as the Sneha Chatushtaya. So these are Sneha Chatushtayas. Next, Chaturamla Varga. Chaturamla in that Kola, Dadima, Vrikshamla and Amlavetasa. Kola, Dadima, Vrikshamla and Amlavetasa. These four are the Chatur Amla Varga. Next, Pancha Amla Varga. Panchamla Vargas are Chaturamla Varga and Matulunga are considered as the Pancha Amla Varga. Next, Panchakola Varga. So Panchakola Varga, they are Pippali, Pipprimula, Chavya, Chitraka and Nakara are considered as the Panchakolas. And next, Panchakshiri Vriksha Varga. So Panchakshiris are Udumbara, Vata, Ashwatha, Vetasa and Parisha. Udumbara, Vata, Ashwatha, Vetasa and Parisha are Panchakshiri Vrikshas. And Panchakshiri Vriksha Varga according to the Bhav Prakashas are Nyakrodha, Udumbara, Ashwatha, Parisha and Plaksha. According to the Bhav Prakashas, they are Nyakrodha, Udumbara, Ashwatha, Parisha and Plaksha. Next, Panchagavya Varga. Panchagavya Vargas are Godadi, Goduktha, Gogrutha, Gomutra and the Gomaya. These are Panchagavyas. Next, Panchalavana Varga. So Panchalavanas are Saindava Lavana, Savarchala Lavana, Vida Lavana, Samudra Lavana and the Aupita Lavana. Next, Brihat or the Mahat Panchamulas. They are Bilva Mula, the Twak, Bilva Mula Twak and this Shonaka Mula Twak, Gambari Mula Twak, Patala Mula Twak and Agni Manta. So these five comes under the are considered as the Brihat or the Mahat Panchamulas. Next, Lagu or the Kaniya Panchamulas. They are Shalaparni Mula and Prashniparni Mula, Brihati Mula, Kantakari Mula and the Kokshura Mula. Next, Trina Panchamulas. So Trina Panchamulas are Kushamula, Kasamula, Saramula, Darbamula and Ikshu Mula. Next, Pancha Pallava Varga. They are like Ambra, Jambu, Kapitha, Bijapura and Bilva. And Panchavalli Mula Vargas are Vidarikanda, Ajashringi, Haridra, Sariva and Guduchi. And Kantaka Panchamula Vargas are Karamarda, Kokshura, Himsra, Sairayaka and Shatavari. Karamarda, Gokshura, Himsra, Sairayaka and Shatavari. And Panchanga Varga are Twa, Patra, Phala, Mula and the Pushpas. Twak, Patra, Phala, Mula and Pushpa. Twak means bark and Patra means leaves. Phala is fruits, Mula is fruits and Pushpa is nothing but the flowers. And Ashtavargas. So Ashtavarga they are Medamula, Mahamedamula, Kakolimula, and Chirakakolimula, Jivakamula, Rishabhakamula, Riddhimula, and Vriddhimula. Next, Mutra Ashtaka Vargas. So they are Abhimutra, Ajamutra, Gomutra, Mahishamutra, Hastimutra, Ushtramutra, Hayamutra, and the Khara Mutra. Next, Kshira Ashtaka Varga. They are Avikshira, Ajakshira, Gokshira, Maheshakshira, Ushtakshira, Hastikshira, Vadavekshira, and the Strikshira. So these comes under the Kshira Ashtaka Varga. Next, Kshara Ashtaka Vargas. So they are Apamarkakshara, Palashakshara, Arkakshara, Tilakshara, Mushkakshara, Yavakshara, Swarjikshara, and Tankana. So these are comes under the Ksharashtaka Varga. Next, Sarvagandha Varga. Sarvagandha Vargas, they are Tvak, Sukshmaela, Tejapatra, Nagakesara, Karpura, Kankola, Agaru, Silaka, and the Lavanga. So these comes under the Sarvagandha Varga. Next, Jivaniya Gana or the Madhura Gana. They are जीवक वृषभक मेध महामेध काकोली क्षीरकाकोली मधुक माशपर्णी मुद्गपर्णी and जीवंती. So these are the these considered as the Jivaniya Gana or the Madhura Gana. Next, Taila Varga. So Taila Varga and that Kanguni, Katutumbi, Ghosha, Karera, Bilvapatra, Narikela, Katuvartaka, Siddharthaka, Somaraji, Bibitaka, Atasi, Mahakali, Nimbabicha, Tila, Apamarga, Devadasa, Tumpuru, Ankola, Tathura, Bhalataka, Palasha. So these are the plants which contains the oil and can yield the oil which is extracted from them and used in the rasa karmas. So these are comes under the Taila Varga. Next, Govara. So what is Govara? Govara is nothing but the cow dung powder. So then the outdoor cow shed and the dung gets dried up, and because of the pressure of the hooves of the cattle, so it becomes powder, and this is called as the Govara. Next, Dhanvantri Bhaga. Dhanvantri Bhaga is nothing but the share of the physician. So here, the share of the medicine that the physician used to get in olden days as a reward for his efforts in preparing the suitable medicine for the patients at the patient expenses is called as the Dhanvantri Bhaga. So after preparation of the medicine, the patient or the patient party used to offer a share of the same medicine to the physician uh, with the intention like to please him and to like regain good health in the name of the Lord Dhanvantri, and that's called as the Dhanvantri Bhaga. So like if the rasaushadis like or the medicated ghees, medicated oils and are given means a half part should be offered to the physician like share it is, and if the avleha is there means then 1/8 part should be offered, and if the dhatus that is dhatu basmas that is basmas of the metals or the churna or the that is powders or vati gutika modaka asavarishtas are given, then it should be like 1/7 part should be offered in the physician share. And next, Rudra Bhaga. So in the all the medicines bought from the medicine seller, either by patients or or by the physician himself, then the 1/11th part of the medicine value, that is in money, so was paid by the medicine seller to the Vaidya. So this share of the money paid to the physician by the medicine seller, it is called as the Rudra Bhaga. So this is regarding the today's topic like Adhara Bhuta Siddhantas of Vaisheshika Kalpana, that is basic principles. So in that I have dealt regarding the paribhashas. So if you have any queries, please to mention in the comment box so that I can resolve it. Thank you.